Ever felt like traditional banks are stuck in the past? Paper statements, confusing fees, and limited hours can make managing your money feel like a chore. That's where challenger banks like Lunar come in. These digital-first institutions promise a more streamlined and tech-savvy banking experience. But with all the buzz, a crucial question arises: are challenger banks like Lunar safe and secure? Specifically, does Lunar have a banking license? Let's dive deep and find out. Why banking licenses matter. Imagine this: you deposit your hard-earned cash into a new, trendy bank. They offer amazing features and a sleek app, but there's one tiny detail missing: a banking license. This little piece of paper holds immense weight. A banking license signifies that an institution is authorized to accept deposits and offer financial services. It means they're subject to strict regulations and oversight by government agencies. This ensures your money is protected and the bank operates according to established best practices. Lunar's banking license. Now, back to Lunar. The good news is, Lunar can proudly display their banking license. In 2019, they became the first Danish-based fintech company, and one of the first in the Nordics, to secure a European banking license from the Danish Financial Supervisory Authority. This was a significant achievement. It meant Lunar wasn't just a fancy app, but a legitimate financial institution with the same level of regulatory scrutiny as traditional banks. Benefits of Lunar having a banking license. So, how does Lunar's banking license benefit you, the customer? Here are a few key advantages. Security and trust. A banking license indicates Lunar adheres to strict financial regulations. Your money is protected by deposit insurance schemes, similar to traditional banks. Stability. Licensing ensures Lunar meets specific capital adequacy requirements. This means they have sufficient funds to weather financial storms and remain operational. Innovation with security. With a license, Lunar can offer new and innovative banking features while still operating within a secure framework. Beyond the license, other factors to consider. While a banking license is a major trust factor, it's not the only consideration. Here are some additional points to keep in mind when choosing a bank, traditional or challenger. Available features. Does the bank offer the features you need, like budgeting tools, international transfers, or investment options? Fees. Compare account fees, transaction charges, and minimum balance requirements. Customer service. Research the bank's customer service reputation. How easy is it to get help if you encounter an issue? Technology. Is the bank's app user-friendly and secure? Lunar, a licensed challenger with potential. Lunar's banking license is a significant step forward, demonstrating their commitment to customer security and regulatory compliance. Combined with their focus on innovation and user experience, Lunar has the potential to be a strong contender in the digital banking space. Remember, choosing a bank is a personal decision. Do your research, compare options, and consider all the factors that matter to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.